going to demonstrate my hospital management system built using Django, PostgreSQL, Google Calendar API, and serverless email microservice. This system is designed to manage doctors, patient appointments, and notifications in a secure and scalable way. So the project support main two roles, doctor and patient. The key feature include the role-based authentication, doctor availability slot management, safe appointment booking with concurrency handling, Google Calendar synchronization, email notification using a serverless microservice. So firstly, the user can sign up. A user can select the role as a patient or a doctor, then full name, email, password. The password is never stored directly. We use the Django built-in hashing method to store the password and the phone number. After saving this, the user can log in by using their email, like and password, then login. So as I am a login as a doctor, so uh, doctor can book the slot. Doctor can show the appointments booked, like these appointments are booked and these are available, and also these are the upcoming appointments, like these appointments are remaining, so these are the showing here. And by clicking there, the doctor can sync their calendar to the Google Calendar. So like doctor create a slot by choosing the date, like I want to create the 6 and start time like 5 p.m. and to 5:30 p.m. By creating a slot, so doctor can create the available slots. Now I am moving to the patient dashboard. So I already sign up as a patient, so I use directly the email and password. Yes, so as you can see the patient email address, and yes, the firstly the patient can search the doctor available doctors, like the Dr. Geetanshi, oncologist, have like there are these 4 booking slots, and the other doctor has no available slots. And the patient can also show the appointments that booked, like the patient wants to book the appointment at Jain 30 at 3 p.m. So when the clicking on the booking, and it uses the atomic operations, and it also create the event in the doctors as well as patient Google Calendar, and also send the mail by using the serverless uh, function. So as you can see, the appointment is booked successfully. I want to show you the mail, like you can see attempting to Google Calendar. I show the live, like I booked the appointment at January 30 at 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. for Dr. Avi. So as you can see the Jain 30 3 to 4 p.m. So as you can see the Dr. Abhi book appointment 3 to 4 p.m. So in this way, like the and about the mail, so I use the actually mail drop service. So you can see that just 1 minute ago the mail comes, the mail from hospital at the demo to the Sachin 10423 at the gmail.com. It's nothing but the patient email. As you can see the same email here, sorry, the same email. This is a patient dashboard, same email here, and the email is sent. Your appointment with Dr. Abhi Yadvanshi is confirmed for 30 January. Uh, at 15 timing at like it's 3 p.m. So okay, now I want to show the atomicity operation testing, like if the Sachin wants to book the appointment at, like, now these are the three slots are remaining. Okay, and the uh, other patient is the doctor, other patient is Abhishek. Okay, so here is also the three appointments is remaining. If the both users book simultaneously, then only the one user can book the slots. If the slot is booking, it shows the slot unavailable slot. Like if I'm trying to book the same slot like this, okay, with simultaneously, booking failed, slot is already booked, it shows. And here the operation is going on. Yeah, as you can see, the appointment is booked successfully. Means it uses the atomic, I use the atomicity property, I use the logs to implement this thing. Like this this is the core business logic. Like if the anyone initiate the booking, firstly I acquire the log by using the select for update function on that slot id. If the slot is booked, then it raise the validation. Like if the when I clicking on first, like Sachin's dashboard for booking button, at that time it acquires the log on that particular slot id. That's why it shows the slot is already booked. Okay, so in this way I implement this thing. And if I'm talking about my serverless function, so I use the mail trap here to, this is my handler.py. Then when Django send the request as event and context, I extract the body, subject, and all this thing, and the AWS Lambda function send the request. This is the Lambda functions server. And if I want to show like the API flows and the UML diagrams also I made. Yeah, this is I use the PostgreSQL database. So as you can see, the database name hospital DB, the user, and these are all the public schemas are currently available. And uh, what I want to show, API flow. I want to show API flow. Yeah. So firstly, the patient is initiate the booking request. Okay. So then Django authenticate that patient, then call the booking services. Like patient want to book the slot. Okay, then the transaction is initiated by begin transaction for update, like log slot. Okay, then PostgreSQL read in the logged state. If the firstly the verify the then verify the current slot is booked or not. If not, then the slot is booked and commit the transaction. And after this, the Django handle the Google Calendar services. So it send the request to the Google Calendars. So create an event by using the Google Calendar API, and the email request is sent by using the AWS Lambda function. It's a separate serverless function. I use this function to reduce the overload on my main function, because the SMTP services can take the times, so that I made separately. And design, yeah, this is the ER diagram of my system. Like user table has a profile doctor ID and full name, specialization has a profile patient ID, unique availability slot manages. Yes, user table as a doctor, like doctor also the user. Okay, doctor can the user can also the patient and can doctor. Okay, then the doctor manage the available slots, doctor attends the appointment. In class diagram, so booking services updates the slots availability, and book appointment and book appointment, and it's created by book appointments. Okay, and it uses by the email client and Google calendar services. Google calendar services uses for users appointment and summary description. uh, and doctor belongs to the availability slots, because when we are going to the doctor, it extract the all available slots. And user id and as a patient, one-to-one relation between the doctor and patient. And user managers, it is the sequence diagram for booking. Like, patient select the slot, book appointment id, it acquires the log, get the log, and perform the atomic operation. Then slot instant, create appointment slot, appointment instance, and the state is logged. The state like, it enables the booking state the true. Now, appointment object, and send email, yes, then initiate the another serverless function, our send email, sync calendar, and create event inside the calendar, inside the primary calendar of both patient and doctor. So this is all about the my project. If you have any question, so I will be happy to clarify them further. So thank you.